Hello students, let's read this question. An ideal gas is kept in a long cylindrical vessel fitted a frictionless piston of cross-sectional area 10 cm square and weight 1 kilogram. As the figure is given 24E8. The vessel itself is kept in a big chamber containing air at atmospheric pressure 100 kilopascals. The length of gas column is 20 centimeter. If the chamber is now completely evacuated by an exhaust pump, what will be the length of the air column, and assume that temperature to remain constant throughout this process. Let's start this question. Here is given area is 10 centimeter square, or you can say 10 into 10 power minus 2 meter square, which is equal to minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, and this is 10 power minus 3 meter square, and mass is 1 kilogram and pressure is 100 kilopascals, or you can say 10 power 5 pascals, and length is, here is length is given of this column is 20 centimeters. All these things are given and we have to find out the length of gas column when the completely evacuated by the pump. Okay, so now finally start the question. Case first. When the gas was still in this chamber, so external pressure exists. Okay, but in case second, when all gas exhausts out from this chamber, then internal pressure does not exist. Okay, internal pressure does not exist. Okay, so simply apply the formula of ideal gas. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 because temperature is constant throughout this process. Okay, we don't consider here temperature. P1 is, पहले external pressure भी है यहाँ पे 10 power 5 kilopascals plus rho G H. This one formula we have to apply, but here is we have volume here, sorry, area here, and we have also here pressure, and we know here the value of G is 9.8. So 1 into rho is 1. Frictionless piston है तो we taken here 1. 9.8 divided by 10 power minus 3. Area, rho is mass over area, this is mass area, and this one and volume से हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें. सिंपली हमने रो की वैल्यू पुट की है, and pressure P2, internal pressure does not exist, so 10 power 5 is not here, only this one is here. So 1 into 9.8 divided by 10 power minus 3 into V dash. Okay, so this one is 10 power 5 plus 9.8 into 10 power 3, and volume is area into length. So 9.8 into 10 power 3 into area into L dash. Okay, length will be changes. Area is cancelled out by this. Okay, so this term will be, the value of L is 20 centimeter. We convert into meter, it will become 0.2 meter. Okay, here is 0.2 into 10 power 5, or you can say 2 into 10 power 4 plus 2 into 9.8 into 10 power 2, which is equal to 9.8 into 10 power 3 L1 dash. Okay, here is 2 into 10 power 4. We also make this power in 10 power 4 to plus 196 and 0.196. Why 0.196? Because we make this power as plus 4. Okay, so plus 2 is added and plus 2 is divided. So we get decimal 3 digits. Here is 10 power 4, 9.8 into 10 power 3 L dash. And here we get 2.196 into 10 power 4. This term is divided by here 9.8 into 10 power 3, which is equal to L dash. Decimal, here 10, here is 1000, and this 0 is cancelled out by this one. 10 power 3 cancel, 1 0 is left, and this will cancel out by this one. Here is L dash is 2196 divided by 980. After cutting this, we get the value of L dash. Sorry, it's L dash, not L1. So L dash is 2.24081 meter. What is L dash here? It is the length of the gas column when all gas exhausted from that chamber. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.